Cropping the videos and the images is so easy, but my favorite tool is definitely the blurring tool that helps with privacy protection. Have you been wanting to create video lessons for your students, but you have no idea how to get started on editing? You feel it's too advanced for you, you don't have a tech experience to do so? Well, then this is introducing a new series on my channel that's specifically about video editing your lessons to make them more engaging or just to create them in general. There's going to be a series of at least 6 videos starting with really beginner skills and moving our way to more advanced. So if that interests you, here's more information about this new series. Hey there, this is Erica from Ever Educating, and this channel is for college instructors who want some advice on teaching or on ed tech or on hybrid or online teaching. And as I said in the introduction, I'm going to start a series talking about how to edit your videos to create video lessons for your students. I'm working in partnership with Flixier, who are the sponsors for this video and the series as a whole. And it's a cloud software, which means you can use it on your Chromebook, on your Linux, on your Mac, on your PC, right, your Windows computer, and it'll work across all of them when you sign into your account. Okay, so I've had videos about Loom before, I've had videos about iMovie before, but of course iMovie is only for Mac users, and I know there's plenty of you out there who are not Mac users, right? So I wanted to find a video editing software that can be used on a Windows or on other computers, and this is the one that I'm going to be using, okay? So I'm going to be basically having over a series of videos that will be going out every other week. Starting from, okay, you know what, here's how to import clips, here's how to do basic trimming of a video, right? Here's how to do basic exporting of the video, putting it where you need it to go, right? So we'll start really simple for those of you who just want, hey, you know, webcam type of video or screen recording type of video, and that will be enough for you. We're gonna get started with that, okay? And what's great about Flixier is with the free version, you can follow along with me step by step and try out the features yourself as I go through them in the video series. And if you create really short videos for your students, you can create 10 minutes a month using the free account as well. But we will start with beginners and work our way up. So in future videos, we'll talk about how to add text to it, how to add transitions, how to add other overlays, okay? And then we'll go into how do you have more than one track of video at a time, so you can have you on one side and let's say a Google Doc or something else on the other, where you show visual alongside your own face, right? Then we'll talk about how to use stock photos or stock videos from Flixier in order to make your videos more visually engaging, right? Let's say you're talking about a certain subject, you can see there's thousands, if not millions, of stock images and videos that you can use and add it straight into your video from Flixier itself, rather than having to search for it online and find the free stock photos to use in your videos. There's also a green screen function in Flixier that we'll be talking about, right? For those of you who want to actually insert yourself into a background that's different from the one that you currently have when you're recording, right? Or doing other really creative things with green screens as well. I'll show you a few examples when that video comes. And then what's great too about this particular software is that you can co-work. You can co-create videos with fellow teachers or whoever else you want to work with by sharing review links with them, and they can just make changes immediately into the video or comment on it if you're the one doing all the edits, right? So again, it's going to be a series of videos for those of you who, you know what, you've been using Loom, but that only has a very simple trim setting. You want to do something more advanced, right? You want to do something that has more visual elements to it or has more text on it than what's allowed, for example, on iMovie, okay? Maybe you don't have a Mac, and so you've been looking for other options. So I know not all educators are interested in video creation for their teaching, so just so you know, this is going to be going alongside my usual videos that happen on Fridays, okay? So it's not replacing them. Basically, every other Thursday, you'll have a video for part of this series, okay? So for those of you who are interested in video creation, you can watch Thursday and then as well as Friday for my usual Friday tips, okay? So hopefully it's interests you. As I'm going along and creating the videos, I really recommend to send me comments, ask me questions, ask me about certain features. If you're using the free one to kind of follow along and you might find something and you're like, oh, I want to know more about this, go ahead and send me a comment so I know for future episodes to work on those kind of things for you. Okay, so I'm excited about this. I have been looking for a while for editing software that can be used in different types of computers, not just on Macs. And I appreciate Flixier for kind of reaching out and saying, hey, we have an offer for you. Why don't you check out this program? And I did, and I'm excited to show you how you can use it as well. Okay, this video itself is created editing using Flixier. So just so you know, right, this is something that you can create yourself if you learn how to do this, right? So I'll go ahead and link below if you want to get the free account and start exploring. But soon enough, the new video will be up, the first part in this series, okay? So it's going to actually be coming up December 31st, next Thursday. I'll see you next time with a new video. And again, if you're excited about this, go ahead and click like to let me know that you're going to be part of this series going forward.